For as long as there is a jurisprudence and there is an approved law pertaining to red tag, I'm sure any and all media practitioners will follow it. In the meantime, that there are no laws, or what he was mentioning were independent opinions of some associate justices. Mahirap pong pangunahan namin ang ating Supreme Court, ang House of Representatives, ang Senate, na gagawa kami ng bagay na hindi naman naayon, as we were simply, if there are, kung meron po kayong naiisip na na-red tag kayo, perhaps it was simply because there were descriptions which were pronounced by the very Anti-Terrorism Council. But it is not because it was a personal or a network practice to red tag you. Pero tinitiyak ko po sa inyo, kapag ka may batas na bawal yung ganon, susunod po kami. Maraming salamat po.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, to respond and to wind up. We have 3 branches of government. While sa atin po, Mr. Chair, we filed a bill to criminalize red tagging. Pero habang wala pa po yan, hindi ibig sabihin na wala tayong gagawin kapag nangyayari ito. And in fact, kaya natin sinasalang ang mga resolution, ang isang resolution and other resolutions at mga batas, panukalang batas dito. Dahil gusto nating mapanagot ang mga actually supposedly nasa media, pero sila din ay nasa forefront ng red tagging, na ang batayan nito, Mr. Chair, ay maraming kasinungalingan. Kasi napakadaling maghabi ng kasinungalingan. We can have 1,000 versions of lies. Pero ang katotohanan po kasi, Mr. Chair, nag-iisa lang yan. At yan ang mahirap na gawin. At yan ay dapat ipagkatiwala natin sa mga credible media organizations. And as we can see right now, SMNI is a huge exception. Hindi lamang sa journalistic standards, pero sa paano ina-uphold ang katotohanan, Mr. Chair. Kaya with that, given the detrimental effects of what SMNI is doing, hindi lamang sa mga kababayan natin na nagpapahayag, mayroong mga advocacies, pero may implications na rin sa national sovereignty natin, Mr. Chair, with this partnership na as we can see, parang hindi nga rin talaga lubos na madepensahan dahil tinake down pa ang sarili nilang news item. So that's why kailangan talaga, Mr. Chair, merong managot doon sa mga maling ginagawa. That would be all for now. Thank you, Mr. Chair.